Hello, Grant Wilson from GJW Accounting. This is the second SharePoint video. As you might be able to tell, the site has a few things that are different from the first video. There's a note in the news section, there's folders in the documents section, and there's an activity log. The activities will show the last 3 or 4 things that have been done to the site. If you've uploaded a bunch of documents, they'll have a list of the documents that have been uploaded. You can just click right here to take you to it. So I'll give everyone a little welcome note, just so you know that you're in the right spot. Every note basically says the same thing, that I decided to use SharePoint as a secure document transfer place. But more than that, it has productivity features, it has storage ability, and organization, just a file structure just like any computer. So that's kind of why I chose SharePoint over any other service that I took a look at. So you can add comments as you see fit, or you can never add a comment again. Again, how you use the site is basically up to you. It's your site. There's apps that you can download. Oops, let me go to the home menu here. Come on. You can go to app, and there is a ton of different apps that you can use. So again, this is your site. You can use it as you see fit. So I'm going to start with the easiest thing and the biggest reason why I use this, the documents. So when you get to SharePoint, you will have a document tree already set up. Get rid of these. You can just click on the folder and you'll see what's in it. You can go back by hitting Documents or the back button on the browser. I think it's easier just to use that. So for 2018, we'd have like multiple folders: financials for the business, payroll for the business, personal tax documents, personal tax returns. If you did have a business and a personal and do personal tax returns or work with me, I will actually have this. Oops. Set up in a personal and business structure. So all of your business documents will be in business folder. All your personal documents will be in your personal folder. So I just moved everything to business. So these zeros would be everything for the business. So tax returns for the business, payroll for the business, receipts for the business. To upload anything very easily, you can either upload a file or folder, and it will bring you the Windows Explorer menu, or you can actually just, right here's a file, you can just drag and drop to one or SharePoint. We also have alerts that I will have set up that anytime a document changes or is uploaded, you'll get notified once a day. So if you want to change that to every time something on a document is changed, you get notified, or if once a day is too much and you'd rather get once a week, you just go to these 3 dots here, go to Manage My Alerts, you click on it, and you can change it as you see fit. You can also sync this library with your computer. So if you have a OneDrive, you can, for Microsoft, you can sync it with OneDrive. That way it will show on your on your File Explorer. Right above OneDrive, it'll show a SharePoint site. I don't want to do that because this isn't my computer. I'm just using it for right now. All right, this is going to be it for the second video, so I don't want them to go too long. So we'll get on the notebook and the list for the next video.